Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge and it is Leetcode number 1359. Count all valid pickup and delivery options. Okay, so it is a high level question and I also feel the same. However, if you know some combinatorics concepts, then it will be a medium level question for you. Still, I don't know much about combinatorics, but still I am able to solve it. Okay, so it is basically implementation of DP also. You need to you need to use your previous answers to get your current answer. Okay, so I will give you like how what I have done and how I got this logic. Okay, so in the explanation, so let's see what is the question. So if given n orders, each orders consist in pickup and delivery services. Okay, so if the n is 1, so there will be two no, two slots. Okay, for P1 and D1. Now if n is 2, there will be 4 slot. Okay, because you need to pick up elements and you need to also deliver it. Okay, so so this is the question and you have to return all the valid possible combinations. Okay, and the answer can be very large, so you need to do a modulo of 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so here it is n is equals to 1, so your answer is 1. You can only pick one, then you can deliver one. Okay, and when the n is 2, there is 6 possible ways, and when n is 3, there is 90 possible way. Okay, and the constant are quite small, like n is 500, and by seeing constant you can see that you can solve it by n or n square. Okay, but however I am using DP, so I will solve it in n time, and if you try to solve it in recursion in n factorial time, then it will be a much it will give you a TLS, of course. And you see the topic tags, there also you can see it is maths, dynamic programming, and combinatorics are the tags. Okay, so let's see the explanation. Okay, so let's say first n is 1, so there is only possible way is you will pick one and deliver one. You cannot deliver one, you cannot do like you are delivering one and pick one. Okay, this is not possible because you need to pick it first. It is a common sense and you need to observe this thing in it. Okay, so this it is the first hint, or maybe you can say it is an observation. Now when n is equals to 2, what we have to do? Okay, so now we need to find for 2. Okay, you can see here the all the possible combinations, but you cannot permute it and find all it. Okay, so you will get a TLE. So what we need, as I told you, we need to get our answer from the previous answer. Okay, for this one will be our base case. Okay, so we know that we have P1 and D1. Now we can pick, and for n2, let's set is P2, and we need to deliver it by D2. Okay, delivery is D2, so we can place this here, and again here. If I put P2 in this place, okay, let's say P2 is here, so I can do D2 also here. I just simply pick that delivery and instantly deliver it. Okay, then I pick P1. Otherwise I will deliver it here, and otherwise I will deliver it here. Okay, so when I am selecting this place, there will be two more slots which is available. But when I try to, okay, so for this position I can get I will deliver it in 3 positions. Okay, but when I select my P2 position for this place, this slot, okay, so you cannot deliver D2 here. Okay, you cannot use this slot for delivering. Okay, you can use this slot, okay, for delivering. Like in one slot you can put P1, P and D together also. Okay, so we can use this also and this also. So okay, so it will be 2. Now if we select this thing like P3, P2 here, okay, in this place, now you cannot use this previous 2 slots, you can only use this slot. So there is only one possible way. Okay, so you can see here it is something. What is it? What it is? It is just a 3 factorial. Okay, this 3 factorial. Now how can we get this slot? Like how many slot we need? Okay, so it is something like we need to generalize our equation. Like when the n is equals to 2, okay, how many slot are there? 3 slot are there. So what let's say I can write it 2 into 2 minus 1. Okay, is it? Or I can also write it as 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, these two are formulas, but however I am using this one, okay, this previous one. What these two, this is the constant. Okay, because if there is two element, then we need to double our places. Okay, then we need to reduce it by 1. For 3, let's say for 3 example, it is p1 d1, let's say it is p2 and d2. Okay, now how many slots are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 slots are there. And what is this n? It is 3. Our current n is 3. We need to find out 3, and we are going to find our 3 from 2. So this is the permutation for 2. And how many slots are available there now for 3? It will be 5. Now how 5 will come? If I do 2 into 3 minus 1, will it be 5? Yes, it will be 5. So what our generalized formula is? 2 into I minus 1. Okay, I is the uh, term. Okay, and the ith term. Okay, let's say if I am trying to find for the 100, then I need to find it for the 1 2 3 till then till 100. Okay, so this is the generalized formula for the slots, available slots. Now, which how many are the valid slot? How we will come to know? Simply we just need to minus our invalid slots. Okay, like here I have shown you like what will be our invalid slots, and which these are the valid slots. Now let's see what are the invalid slots for this. Okay, let's say I am putting p3 here. Okay, then I can put d3 here also, here also, here also, here also, here also. I can use all the 5 places. Okay, so how many invalid slots are there? So it is 5 minus how many total places available? 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So invalid places are 0. Okay. Now if I put P3 here, now how many invalid places are there? Let's see how many valid places are there. I can put it here, 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 and here. 4 valid places, and my total places is 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Similarly here it come out to be 2, it come out to be 3, and it come out to be 4. So you can see that it is nothing but it is all n minus 1 places and all n minus 1 permutation. So what is the formula for n minus 1, or sum of all elements of n minus 1? It is nothing but it is n into n minus 1 by 2. So this is the n into n minus 1 by 2 is the invalid cases. Okay, it is the invalid cases. Okay, it will give you the total cases which is not possible, or which is we can't take it. Okay, so it is the invalid cases. So this much, from this much permutations. Okay, sorry, it is the places. Okay, from these places, this much places, how many available places are there? Our available, if it is my n, if this is my n. Okay, if this equation is my n, I will show you in the code, okay, properly, like step by step. If this is my let's say it is my x, okay, not n, otherwise you will get confused, like it is also n and you are saying that it is also n. Let's say it is x. So how many possible combination I have, how many possible slots I have? It is x into x. Simply, like if you are having a b c and here it is d e, so it is like this. Okay, you can, okay, it is many to many. Okay, many to many format. So it is x into x, and we have to minus all the invalid cases. So what we will do, I just simply minus x into x minus 1 by 2. Okay, I know that it is a bit complex, and I also it takes a lot time for me to solve this question. Okay, to get this approach. Okay, so but it will work and you will get it. I will suggest you to dry run some for some new test cases, like for 2 3 and 4, and you will get it by your own. Okay, so we will update it. Okay, now let's see the code so that you can get a better understand. Okay, I am taking here one base indexing. So I have declared the modulo. I take a long dp. Okay, and I initialize it with n minus 1, and I put dp of 1 is 1, because when my 1 is 1, 1 n is 1. I will just simply my answer is also 1. Then I iterate through true and to get it till n. Okay, now how many places are there? As I told you, what are the places, like means these slots. Okay, these slots are nothing but these places. So as given this formula, I have shown you how I come to know this formula. So I have done the same thing. Now I need to find out the valid places. So what I have done, I just take out my total places, like how many possible places are there, and I just removed my invalid places from here. Okay, so get a valid places, and simply what I do, I just multiply with it with my previous answer. Okay, so for my I minus 1 answer. Okay, then I just do a mod and just simply return my answer. Okay, so let me submit the code. Okay, I have just yeah, it is accepted, and I hope you understand it. And if you don't get some you just miss some concept, then you please go through the video once again, or you can try run these codes also. Okay, step by step, what I have shown you. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Keep coding. Bye bye.